Hello everyone. Exercise 4.3 number 4. You have to draw a rectangle named OKAY. Okay? And it's given OK is 7 centimeter, KA is 5 centimeter. Right children? So we will first draw a rough sketch. Okay? This will help us to make sure that how will be our exact construction. So OK is given 7 centimeter, KA is given 5 centimeter. So children, since it is a rectangle, so we all know that the opposite sides are equal. So if this is 5 centimeter, this side is also 5 centimeter. If OK is 7 centimeter, means the opposite side is AY. AY is also 7 centimeter. This is a rule, right? This is a property which we all know. And so children, in this exercise, you were always given angles and also sides to make the construction. But here in this case, for rectangle, just the sides are mentioned, right? So what will be the angles? So children, in rectangle, we all know rectangle is in this way, straight lines are there, all the angles are 90-degree. Okay, this we all know, all the angles are equal to 90-degree in a rectangle. So children, now we know the angles, we know the sides, so let us start our construction. So children, first we will draw the side OK, which is 7 centimeter. Let us draw OK, which is 7 centimeter. Okay, so from here we will draw till this is 7 centimeter, so we will draw like this. Okay, 7 centimeter we have drawn. So let us name it, it's OK. Now children, what we will do is, here we will draw a 90-degree angle and also here we will draw a 90-degree angle. Okay, with the help of compass. Okay, do not draw with the help of a protractor, we will draw with the help of a compass. So in this way we will draw, this is the point here. So taking the point here, children, we all know how to draw a 90-degree. So from here in this point we will draw an arc taking any radius, and children, you can see this was the radius initially, isn't it? So I have not changed the radius, taking the same thing, same radius, I will draw an arc here in this way. Then from this intersecting point I will draw an arc here. Now again an arc here, again an arc here in this way. Okay, so in this way we draw 90-degree. Okay, so children, you know this arc I have drawn here, this is 60-degree. One more 60-degree, 120-degree, isn't it? Now 60 and 120, what is this much? This is 60-degree. If we bisect 60-degree, it's 30-30, isn't it? Means 60 plus 30, 90. Like that it goes. Okay, so now let us join. Children, I am using a pen just to make it prominent, okay, as it is a video. Okay, this side 90-degree is done. Now we will draw this side's 90-degree. Okay, don't change the radius. Let us now children, from since the angle will be this way, isn't it? So we will draw in this way. Okay, so here goes the 60 degree. Then again from this intersecting point 60 degree, right? 60 and 60 becomes 120. Now this between, it's 60 degree, right? We will bisect. While we bisect, we get 90 degree. So we are done with the 90 degree angle. Now we will join this. We have joined. Now children, OK is 7 centimeter, right? KA 5, OY 5. So KA will be here, OY will be here. So we will now take measurement. 5 centimeter measurement we will take in this way with the help of a compass. We need more. So in this way we will take measurement very accurately. We will take the measurement. See, okay, 5 centimeter. So just from here, this is the point, we will draw here. Then from here we will draw here, isn't it? So this much is 5 centimeters. So we will join these two lines. Okay, join this points. Okay, so this is KAOY. This side is 5 centimeter, this side is 5 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter. So we are done with the rectangle. So this is our required rectangle OKAY. Okay everyone, so this is the way we draw and construct the rectangle.